Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Digital Hustle. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: crypto airdrop guides for beginners. If you're new to the crypto world or just want to learn more about airdrops, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, remember, always do your research and be cautious of scams. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a crypto airdrop? Think of it as a way for crypto projects to distribute free tokens to their community. It's like getting a surprise gift in the world of cryptocurrencies. Before we continue, if you're eager to expand your knowledge beyond airdrops and want to dive deeper into blockchain and crypto topics, there's a fantastic government-registered e-learning platform. They offer Trendy digital courses online, and you can find valuable resources to boost your crypto education. If you're interested in exploring this platform or learning more about blockchain and cryptocurrencies, feel free to connect with me on Instagram. You can find the link in my channel bio. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your crypto knowledge and stay ahead in this exciting space. Airdrops are often used to promote a new crypto project or reward loyal users. Join the project's community, like their social media pages, and subscribe to their newsletters. This is where they usually announce airdrops. Make sure you have a compatible wallet. Most airdrops require you to have a specific type of wallet to receive tokens. This is super important, folks. Scammers love to take advantage of beginners in the crypto world. Here's how to stay safe. But wait, there's more. We've also got an exclusive opportunity for you. How does working from home for just 1 to 2 hours a day sound? And the best part? It's a government-registered platform with weekly payments. To explore this incredible online work opportunity, you know where to find me, on Instagram, with the link in the bio. Now, let's continue with how to stay safe from scammers. Never share your private keys or sensitive information. Legitimate projects won't ask for this. Verify the project's authenticity. Check their website, team members, and community to ensure it's not a scam. Once you've found a legit airdrop and met their requirements, it's time to claim your tokens. Follow the instructions provided by the project carefully. This may involve some simple tasks or registering on their platform. Be patient. Airdrops can take some time to distribute, so don't panic if you don't see your tokens immediately. The crypto world is constantly evolving, and new airdrops are announced all the time. Here's how to stay in the loop. Use crypto news websites, forums, and social media to keep track of upcoming airdrops and crypto updates. That's a wrap, folks. You're now equipped with the basics of crypto airdrops. Remember to do your research, stay safe, and only participate in airdrops from trusted projects. From boosting your skills with our incredible e-learning platform to discovering a flexible, home-based work opportunity, it's all within your reach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing opportunities like these. And, of course, connect with me on Instagram for all the details. Thanks for joining us today on Digital Hustle. Until next time, happy crypto hunting!